Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Being harassed, verbal attack, or bullied, be like. They came with a speech. I came with my headphones. Reason, not every comment deserves your attention. 2. Free opinions. Thanks, I'll leave them unopened. Reason, you don't have to accept every negative remark. 3. I'm collecting happy moments, not insults. Reason, focus on what lift you up. 4. That joke missed the target. Reason, kindness is always funnier than cruelty. 5. My peace and quiet are currently unavailable. Reason, protect your mental space. 6. I'm too busy enjoying life to argue all day. Reason, your time is valuable. 7. Volume up doesn't mean wisdom up. Reason, loud words aren't always meaningful. 8. Kind words are free. 2. Reason, respect costs nothing. 9. I don't need to win every argument. Reason, sometimes walking away is the strongest move. 10. My confidence has better Wi-Fi than negativity. Reason, stay connected to positive people. 11. Today's mission, keep smiling. Reason, a good attitude is powerful. 12. Drama, sorry, wrong address. Reason, choose peace over conflict. 13. One rude comment cannot define me. Reason, your worth isn't decided by others. 14. I'll save energy for better conversations. Reason, positive discussions are more rewarding. 15. Being respectful never goes out of style. Reason, kindness leaves a lasting impression. 16. I press the imaginary ignore button. Reason, not every situation needs response. 17. My smile is staying right where it is. Reason, don't let negativity steal your gladness. 18. Respect is cooler than insults. Reason, everyone deserves basic kindness. 19. Let good manners do the talking. Reason, action often speak louder than words. 20. Life is too short to carry someone else's bad mood. Reason, keep moving forward with confidence. Bullying and verbal harassment can be hurtful, but they don't define who you are. Stay respectful, seek support, and from trusted people when needed. And remember, choosing kindness and confidence, strong response. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.